Hey guys, having trouble reading books? I know the problem. It has happened to me. I mean, only in the last 2 months, I have I've read 10 books. Yeah, you have heard right. In last 2 months, I've read 10 books. Before that, I no books I read. I did not read books at all. The books made me feel very distracted. I was always thinking like reading the book, I will not retain anything in my head. That is the feeling that I had. So I never read books. But in the last 2 days, 2 months, things have happened. I started using Audible and I started hearing the books. And what I observed was if I read, if I use Audible and I listen to audiobooks, only listen to audiobooks doing nothing else, then what happens is I get again distracted. But then something I did differently. I started doing menial tasks like something that does not require the brain, like washing clothes. I know you people have washing machine, but I have chosen to wash clothes myself manually. But the thing is, what I'm saying is, washing dishes, washing clothes does not require much more brain. But while listening to audible, uh, if you do those things, what happens is it's like you are doing something, and the writers of the book are talking to you. What happens when you think like that? Okay, I mean, what I observed was after I've completed 10 books, and after completing the books, I see the retention is very good. I am able to think in that way, I can know in that way. I started with Can't Hurt Me, and then I've seen that I started. Then I did 10x rule. Then I did obsessed or be average. Then I did start with why. Then I did many books. I have completed 10 in total. I don't remember everything totally, but I have completed 10 books in 10 months. That is, I now realize more than one book a week. I mean, that's massive. I mean, I feel everyone can do it. You can also do it. The only thing is just listen, start your audible, and then do some menial task. Basically, every person has kind of two brains. One that is the conscious brain, by which you can do the work. Another thing is you have got the monkey brain in your head, that is kind of gets distracted to other ideas, other things, easily distracted by sound, easily distracted by any thoughts. Now that is what I've used. That is what I've used. Let's say you have got this writer. You are listening to 10x rule by Grant Cardone. Okay, what happens is in your ears, it seems like in your ears, Grant Cardone is listening to, telling you his experiences and his thoughts, as if Grant Cardone is standing beside you and telling you his knowledge. So that is what I really liked. And I mean, my the other brain, that is the distracted brain, was listening to that Grant Cardone and his experiences, and that is how I was able to absorb much. So after finishing everything, and that also of course gives you like 1 hour of dishwashing. You get 1 hour of knowledge free. Now I do not read the book after I complete my menial task. So what happens is, uh, I do something else. So I keep the audiobook again reserved for the the menial task again. On the next night, when I do something like or simple thing like exercise, where you don't use the brain. So I find this to be a very good thing. So I would like to ask, please, you people, try this and tell me how is it that you felt. I mean, just try this tip. It's a small tip, of course, but see, Reading books for self development or for anything else is extremely good for yourself. So so that's the tip to you. I hope it helps. Thank you guys. Bye bye for today.